which tool you lost or something.
That's true.
Otherwise, you like.
I wouldn't do it either,
Yeah,
but I was
it's,
just thinking, for some reason my brain went there. It was like, oh wow, put ants in there.
When I was a kid, I actually made the house for ants.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah, I just took the jar and I put some soil in it and some bunch of ants.
Nice.
And I.
How long did you have your ants for?
Around, I don't know. It's around 2 weeks or a
Okay,
month.
okay. So they didn't last long.
Like, yeah. Unfortunately, yeah. Now I wouldn't do it like so. Just for information.
My sister
I was a kid.
Yeah, fair. My sister, when she was a kid, used to like find worms and stuff and like collect them and like try to take them home. My mom would be like, no, don't do that. So she got like a frisbee, you know, and she put the worms in the frisbee and she left them outside, and then she went to talk to my mom, be like, look at the worms I found. When they came outside, it was a really hot day and all the worms were fried. And she was like, but they were my family.
It's kind of sad.
Yep. Sepsis. Sorry, I'm sharing your trauma.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. So we're drilling into this plastic. We get it on the wall, and boom, it's a gun holster.
Okay. Nice.
This looks kind of cool. Okay.
So it's a workshop.
She's a triplet. She has many twins.
Look at this.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Editing, I guess.
But let's see if this creation is beautiful.
Yes. Wow. Actually.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's smart.
It's a nice idea.
Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna.
You gonna
take
do
this
it?
idea.
Yeah. Okay, do it.
Maybe.
Just put magnets all over your house.
Oh, it's nice.
Okay. So this is a nice little DIY workbench area
Yeah.
thing.
Okay, it can hold your weight.
Wow, and
good.
it folds.
Wow. No joke. This is kind of good.
This is the nicest thing that I've seen so far. Yeah.
It's kind of smart. This for the tape,
Yeah.
which is nice, and there is a blade.
Nice.
Wow,
Okay.
it's very smart.
Yes.
Lady, you did good job.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
9 out of 10.
Yes. It was too much.
It doesn't have a flamethrower.
Yeah, but no, it's actually 9 out of 10. It's a lot. I mean, it's amazing. I'm not sure if I could do it.
No, you probably couldn't do it.
Yeah. Thank you that you're believing in me. You know, one thing when you're saying about yourself like so, yeah, but
no.
another thing when another person like, no, you
true.
can't do it. Like, why?
I'm just kidding. I believe in you, but give us more. Did it hit or is it shit?
Let's figure it out together.
Okay. So we got some forks we're drilling in.
Okay.
We use
For
a
what?
saw to organize your cables.
I'm not kinda sure.
I think that one's
yeah.
pretty bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So the tops of your spray paint you can turn into little organizers.
I think for the garage it's fine. I
Yeah.
mean, not for the house.
If you have lots of little pieces everywhere, why not?
Why not?
Why not? Okay, so now we have a brush thing so we can hang up our brushes, and it's okay.
That's fine. So.
Also fine.
Yeah.
As long as it's not like offensive, you know. Some of them are offensive.
And also let us know which is your favorite repair hack.
Yes.
What is yours?
My favorite repair hack, oh my god, I'm being put on the spot. My favorite repair hack is getting the cards and putting them around a wheel and spray painting the wheel to clean off the rim, yeah.
I see. Don't ask me which is my favorite.
Which is your favorite?
I don't remember all of them. No,
Okay.
no, not all of them. Again, I don't know. It's hard to say from the...
I know, it's hard to say when you're put on the spot, huh?
Yes.
That was the only one I could think of right now.
It was a revenge, you know, from the previous time.
Yeah, we saw it too many times, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so whoa, that looks like a hot dog. All right, kind of hungry.
Did you want to put it in your mouth?
I did kind of want to. It's weird when you ask. Okay, so now we have
Yeah, I know that you're upset about this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Nice tool belt.
I think it's kinda nice. I would use that gadget, that hat.
This, I don't know.
Not this. Previous
This
one.
I'm
with the
confused.
plane.
Why are we doing this?
I don't know. Too. Maybe it's for your key or for your tools.
You could use any piece of wood for that. Why did you have to ruin that?
That's true. Maybe because of the texture, you know.
Yes.
There's the place out of brush. I don't know. Cucumbers? Wait, what?
It looked like a cucumber for a second.
Okay.
I was getting hungry, I'm sorry. Okay, so
That's fine.
nice to roll up your ribbon. Interesting. Oh no, I dropped all my IKEA. What are we gonna do?
Screwdriver. I saw this guy.
This is that's silly. Very silly.
I
Technically,
think
it works.
yes, and why not? I mean,
One hole isn't gonna make a difference. Yeah, it depends what you're transporting.
yes, if there is a bunch of cardboard.
What if I have liquid in there?
Of course, then you don't use it. What kind of liquid do you have in your cardboard?
What do you mean? I have a cardboard bowl that I make cereal with in the morning.
Okay. Yeah. Good for you. No, good, not good for you. I don't know.
I don't know if cardboard is good for you. Okay. Yes.
Oh, that's what we tested.
We
with
tested
you.
this one.
Yeah.
It wasn't that good.
Yep.
Okay.
Watch it.
Yeah, watch it now.
Watch.
Go find it. Okay. This is bad. Generally.
And another dude. Oh, what is this? Plastic? We need to throw it away.
It inhales a bunch of tools.
Yeah.
Little vacuum
Sounds
cleaner. Yeah, apparently that one doesn't work so well. The mini vacuum with the bottle on it.
I think theoretically it would work.
Yeah, theoretically it looks okay, but
I love this. I mean, I like the idea and the way of thinking.
Yes. We love 5-minute crafts and Woodmood's way of thinking all the time.
Yeah, not all the time.
All the time. All the time.
No.
Have you seen their clothes changing videos?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. It's fashionable, creative, and very
Questionable.
questionable.
This one, okay.
Wow,
Spinny.
cable organizer.
With a gun on the top, that's kind of cool with the drill gun.
Yeah.
Not a real gun. Okay,
No.
so.
Nice.
Cool. If you put like some
not
ants in
dust
there, you
anymore.
could simulate a sandstorm with ants.
With the ants?
Yeah, if you put like a bunch of like an ant hill in there, and then you could simulate like a sandstorm.
It's darkest.
And it's kind of silly. All right, so
Okay. This is kind of clever.
I like this actually. Yeah, for your
Yes.
bin, that's good.
But you need to find some piece of plastic for this.
Yeah, I think everybody has plastic laying around, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so we're hammering in this thing. We are hanging up. They really like hanging up their tools.
Yes. But because it's a problem usually.
Yeah.
If you have a garage with a bunch of tools, you have a trouble with finding them and with storing them and etc.
It's true. It's true.
So
Having a garage
That's
is a hard life.
and
Very tough.
perfect life.
Okay,
Wow,
so a nice
okay.
little organizer for your stuff with some bearings.
Okay, nice.
So it's a drawer organizer. It's a drawer organizer.
Drawer organizer. Nice.
Nice.
The nice thing about such organizers with the form of the tool, that you will always, after some job was done, you can put them on their place and you can quickly figure it out which tool you lost or something.
That's true.
Otherwise, you like
I forgot the
couldn't
shape of my
notice.
tool.
Yeah. And if you work with the cars and somewhere you can left your wrench in a car and totally forget about this.
That's true. That's true.
There is a lot of videos on this theme, like another mechanic found some tool which was left by previous mechanic in that car, so that's why.
I have a bunch of tools in my car.
Randomly stored, or what? Yes, I also do have a lot.
Okay. So we have this with
nice.
some wheel. Nice. That's cool.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay, so-
bunch of work.
Yeah. So is anything worthwhile?
Yes.
Old canister.
But this, yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Wow, but it takes a lot of space, you know?
That's true. Yeah, it
The
doesn't need to be that
cables
much
and
space.
the-
It could be more optimized for sure.
Yes. Not perfect. Uh-huh.
It's okay. It's like really specific.
Yeah.
All right, this is another tool organizer. Okay, wow, he's strong. All right, we're drilling in here. All right, now we drill the pipe, and guess what? It holds more. Okay, cucumbers? Okay.
Not bad.